This tutorial is going to show you how to save using Audacity. So to save your working project, click File and go down to Save Project. You can also hit Control S on your keyboard. If you haven't saved already, it's going to prompt you to enter a title. So I'm going to call mine My Project. And then hit Save. So I've saved my project to the desktop, where it creates a folder and a file. The folder simply contains all the audio data that you're working with in your project. If you need to access the actual project at a later date, simply click the icon with the tiny orange fuzzy thing and the headphones. If you want to save your project as an audio file once you've finished the final version, you need to select the portion that you would like to save. A lot of the times you'll want to select all of the audio within your project. To do that, you can go to Edit, down to Select, and click All. You can also hit Control A on the keyboard. So I'm going to select All. Now to save as an audio file, you go to File, and we're given a number of export options. The most common ones that we'll be using is exporting as WAV and exporting as MP3. MP3 is a lower quality file, but you can put it on something like an MP3 player or an iPod. If you hit export as MP3, it's going to ask you what the title to save it as, and it's also going to ask you some detailed information. This information is used by your iPod or MP3 player when you select it in your player. I'm not going to save it as an MP3 for now. I'm going to save mine as a WAV. Now the WAV format is a much bigger file, but it's also much higher quality. So you would use this file format for something like a radio broadcast, or if you're doing a music recording. So I'm going to save this as my project, and I've saved it to the desktop. And when I open my project,
Alright, we're recording.
I can now play it in an MP3 player, such as Winamp or Windows Media Player or any other kind of computer player, and then you can also burn this to a CD. So that's it for the basics on saving. Now see the first assignment for using Audacity.